everyone, my name is Mezalina Shamika, you can call me Luna, and I'm from English Class Communication 3. And today I want to tell you about, in my opinion, what is the most challenging part of learning English and why. In my opinion, the most challenging part of learning English is studying grammar. English grammar has many complicated rules, and sometimes the rules even have exceptions. This can make it confusing for learners, especially for beginners. For example, understanding when to use different tenses like present perfect or past simple is not always easy. Another reason why grammar is challenging is because English has many irregular verbs and sentence structures that don't always follow a clear patterns. Sometimes I get confused about why a sentence is correct even though it doesn't seem to follow the rule I learned. Before I learned English, I thought grammar would just be about memorizing a few basic rules. However, after I started studying, I realized that grammar needs a lot of practice and attention to detail. Even small mistakes like using the wrong perception or verb form can change the meaning of a sentence. After I spent more time practicing reading and listening to English, I slowly began to understand how grammar works naturally. However, it is still a part of learning English that I have to focus on carefully. I believe that with more practice and patience, it will get easier over. I will believe that with more practice and patience, it will get easier over time. And next, I want to tell you about my experience learning and speaking English. When I was in elementary school, I started learning English. At first, I was very excited because English sounded interesting and new. I learned simple things like colors, animals, and numbers. I liked singing English songs and repeating words after my teacher. It was fun, but sometimes it was also difficult because I didn't understand everything. Before I could speak English well, I needed a lot of practice. I was afraid to speak because I didn't want to make mistakes. I often listened to English songs and watched English cartoons. I also tried to read easy English books. Sometimes I asked my teacher or my friends if I didn't understand something. Little by little, I learned more words and better sentences. After I practicing more, I started to feel more confident. I could introduce myself, ask questions, and answer in English. I still made some mistakes, but I didn't feel shy anymore. I realized that making mistakes is a part of learning. Now, I enjoy speaking English and I want to keep getting better. Learning English helps me make new friends and understand more about the world. And that is from me. Thank you for watching and bye bye.